guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning my Speedy 30. I will say that I've never ever cleaned this bag before. I never thought I had to, but as I've learned, it's a good idea to give them a clean here and there to help them stay or keep their shape and maintain up with time. I bought this back in 2013, but I don't even know what year. So I got it on May 2013 was its birth. So I'm gonna be using the same wipes that I used last time. If you saw my video where I cleaned my mom's Alma PM bag, you'll be seeing that I used this guy here. I'm also gonna be using Brasso that I used on my other video as well to clean my lock and key, and I'm probably gonna clean these little guys right here too. So like I said, I've never cleaned this before, so we'll get started with a dry cotton cloth, and I'm just going to simply clean it around. I do not use a bag shaper, I think that's what they're called. I've been thinking about it, so if you have one, let me know how you like it. But for now, this is how I use it. I don't use it too often either. All right, now that I cleaned it with the dry cloth, I'll be using these alcohol-free, fragrance-free wipies for my bag. I'm going to start by cleaning the canvas first. Just going to. I've taken this bag out in the rain. I have taken it everywhere, I think. I don't put it on the floor though. I really try not to ever leave it somewhere where I know it can get dirty. Go around the bottom. To the other side. I do not keep it in the dust bag either. I like to keep my bags out. I usually put the dust bag at the bottom so that it's not touching, you know, the shelf or anything like that. Or I put the dust bag inside the bag, because sometimes when I resell them, I want to make sure that I have everything I can with it. Now I'm gonna use the same cloth, or wipey, I'm sorry, to clean these handles. And I'm gonna clean my pulley. I call it a pulley, but I could be totally wrong. I have no idea what the actual terms are. Tag over here. As I'm cleaning this, I'm like, oh, I take really good care of my bags, but I don't know if you guys can see here, there's like little scratches. I don't know how I got those. It sucks. But so just cleaning everywhere. All right, oops. So this is one side of the wipey. This is the other side. It lifted some dirt off of it. I'm kind of surprised there's not a lot more dirt than this, because like I said, I've had it since 2013. Not once have I cleaned this bag. Okay. I'm gonna clean my lock too, so that way I can use it with the Brasso later. All right, So now that I cleaned it with my wipey, I'm gonna take my dry cloth and I'm going to dry it up. You never want to leave your bag wet. Even when I've taken it out and it's raining outside, the minute I get inside, whether it's a restaurant, my house, or in the store, I try to wipe it ASAP. And not just my Louis bags, I mean every bag that I have. I got Damier, I think I have a Coach bag that my mom gave me. I have Chanel, which that one's really, really old. And so the point is, I don't like to let my bags get wet. However, if you do, I mean, they're just a material thing, so you gotta enjoy them. If they do, I make sure I dry them. Right. There we are. Now, I'm gonna use a Brasso. I really like using this guy. I mean, it says you can use it for like your toaster, your sink, all kinds of stuff. And like, I want to just go out to like a thrift store and buy old items and clean them with this. Things that I don't even need, but it's just kind of fun. Maybe I'm just weird, but I have fun with it. Okay, so I'm gonna take one of these guys. I'm gonna put a little tiny dot. Oh, I have some here, so I'm gonna just use this. Got some on my hand. Okay. So I'm going to start by, I don't know if you can tell on the camera or not, but to me they look pretty clean. Oops. Damn it. Got a little bit on the leather. I want to leave that there, so I want to make sure I clean around it. So I'm going to take my dry side and I'm going to just rub in a circular motion, just like that. You can see how it's lifting the dirt right off. See? I'm gonna take a wipey as well and clean off the rest. Once I do that, I'm gonna take a paper towel and just work it in there. I know that with older bags, they can get mold underneath here. If that's the case, what I did on the Alma, because it's an older bag, I did the same process, but I used my nail as I was cleaning around it to kind of get really in there. And you may or may not get some lift out of it, but you want to get that dirt, and especially if it's mold, off that. That's kind of gross. So on to the next side. Comes off. Wow, I have a scratch? I didn't even know that. A scratch right here. Barely see it, but it's a scratch, all right. All right, now I'm gonna do the other side. So you're gonna do the same thing to both sides. Then, my lock. I will tell you that I never use my keys. I actually have the keys in the stiller box. I have a box and everything that came with my LV bag. So let's unlock this bad boy. There we go. All right. this. You don't need a whole lot. Then you're going to simply start cleaning it. You've seen me do this before in the other video. But I just, like I said, I like doing this. It's fun. I'm gonna do one side only for now to see a before and after. Then wipe it down. So look how shiny this guy is, and let's take a look at the back side. You can see how it's not as, I mean, it doesn't look bad, but you can see that it's not as shiny as it is on this side. Oops. There we go. Now I'm gonna clean my key. Look at these keys. I don't know if you can see from here, but they're really dark. Like I said, I've never used these. They've been in the same box since I purchased the bag. So whether you use them or not, maybe they should get it clean once in a while. Okay, take this guy. Going to rub the key. Wow, this is a huge difference. Look at this.
All from one little side. I'm gonna wipe it. I like to wipe it down with a damp cloth or baby wipe, just because the Brussels does have its own unique smell, and I don't want my items to smell like that.
So compare one key with the other. Clean, not clean. No. Not clean, not clean. So I'm gonna clean the other side since I'm already here. Last time I sat here and did this forever.
But I don't think mine's too dirty, so I'm gonna give it a few wipes. Clean front and back. And continue to clean the keys. If you do not have key tips, or you are wanting to get this done quicker, you can put a tiny piece on the napkin, and then just simply use that to wipe down keys or your lock.
And that's it. Dry it up. Once you wipe it down, pop the key right in there. And let's move this out of the way. Put it back where it belongs. So there you have it. The first time I ever cleaned my Speedy 30, which I love this bag. Any questions or thoughts, please feel free to leave your comments below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks, see you guys next time.